The immigration debate is heating up tonight as calls to end the president's no-tolerance policy on the U.S.-Mexico border grow steadily louder. Haunting images of crying children separated from their parents as they cross the border are fueling the debate. Today, President Trump met with House Republicans about immigration, but many lawmakers say the meeting did not go as planned. Good evening. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Adrienne Moore.
And I'm Tony Lopez. We have live team coverage for you of this hot button issue. CBS 13's Steve Large is live in East Sacramento with a unique program aimed at helping migrant families. But we start with CBS 13's Macy Jenkins in the newsroom with more on the tense immigration debate. Macy?
Well, Adrienne and Tony, it's an issue that has people on both sides voicing their opinions. A CBS poll found 67% of Americans believe separating children from parents at the border is unacceptable. President Trump met with House Republicans today to discuss a solution.
When you prosecute the parents for coming in illegally, which should happen, you have to take the children away.
A stance sparking outrage across the country. Protests rang out from San Francisco to Los Angeles.
Estamos en la lucha.
And in Washington, D.C., Homeland Security Secretary Kirstjen Nielsen confronted by protesters at a Mexican restaurant.
If kids don't eat in peace, you don't eat in peace.
Fairfield Congressman John Garamendi
These children
sounded the alarm in Washington.
in a cage in America. What have we become?
The California lawmaker pushed for Trump to rescind his zero-tolerance policy, under which 2,300 children have been separated from their parents.
This is not America. This is not what we should expect from the man who occupies the highest office in this land.
Republicans prepared to discuss a compromise immigration bill with President Trump. It would provide billions of dollars in funding for the border wall and reunite separated families.
This has always been a very frustrating issue, a very emotional issue, but we've never seen it at this magnitude.
Modesto Congressman Jeff Denham says it's the permanent solution that both sides need to pass.
I think that we've got a good compromise bill that not only has a pathway for 1.8 million, but also secures our border.
But after talking with Trump, Pennsylvania Congressman Ryan Costello says the discussion didn't go as many expected.
The focus of the meeting was not border separation. It was taxes, tariffs, stuff he's done.
Trump tweeted this morning, Democrats are the problem. They don't care about crime and want illegal immigrants, no matter how bad they may be, to pour into and infest our country. But Garamendi insists this fix is on the White House.
Stop it. Stop it now.
So far, Trump has not endorsed the House bill. Meanwhile, Democrats have endorsed a Senate bill introduced by California Senator Dianne Feinstein. That bill would prohibit children from being separated from their parents within 100 miles of the border.
Macy, thank you. More pushback now here in